At its heart, Archway Insurance is very much a family business. Its story begins in 1985, when Gary Stack left his banking career, took a leap of faith, and purchased a small insurance brokerage in Yarmouth, Nova Scotia. While raising 3 young children, Gary and his wife Jane spent many late nights balancing the books and planning the future of their company. Their hard work paid off, and in 1988, Gary expanded operations by purchasing a brokerage in Shelburne and partnering with another local broker. In 1992, Gary left his partner in charge of the Yarmouth and Shelburne operations, and the Stack family moved to Amherst to open a new location. The start of the new millennia saw the second generation get involved in the business, with Gary's son Michael joining the company and the two going into acquisition mode. Archway's head office may be located in the small town of Amherst, but its proactive approach to acquisitions has allowed it to become one of the fastest-growing insurance brokerages in the Maritimes. Archway has purchased 15 brokerages in Nova Scotia and New Brunswick, and more than quadrupled its size over the past decade. From Yarmouth to Halifax to Amherst to Moncton and Miramichi, the Stack family has amassed a sizable list of specialties, including commercial, home, life, auto, and group insurance. This diversity is crucial as competition in the industry has become fiercer. Since 2000, the company has grown from 14 employees to more than 60. As the company has grown, so too has the involvement of family members. Today, Michael's wife Chastity works in accounting with Jane, Gary's wife. Gina is a regional manager and head of marketing, and his youngest son, Robert, is a commercial accounts manager in Halifax. Gary's business partner's decision to leave the business and sell his shares to Michael brought full control of the company back to the Stack family. As Gary and Jane prepare for retirement, the family has developed and begun implementation of a transition plan for the business from the first to second generation. The family has set short-term goals set around growth and profitability, but the family also meets on a regular basis to discuss the long-term future of Archway and to ensure all remain committed to the same long-term vision and values. The Stack family are active members in the communities they serve and support a number of organizations through annual commitments of time and money. In 2008, Archway Insurance was recognized by the Amherst and Area Chamber of Commerce for excellence in community service, and that same year was Insurance Brokerage of the Year for the province of Nova Scotia. Gary is past president of the Yarmouth and Amherst Rotary Clubs and a Paul Harris Fellow. For nearly 30 years, Archway Insurance has positioned itself as an insurance brokerage leader, held together by its strong family values. Gary and Jane take great pride in the company they have built and the opportunities they have been able to provide for their children and, over time, for their grandchildren. They are members of CAFE and are actively transitioning from first to second generation management and ownership, and the pathway is both open and encouraged to have the third generation take part in the business.